Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of home screen on ChatGPT app. To know how to fix or how to solve ChatGPT app home screen, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on ChatGPT. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.